Dubai is one of the most unique cities in the world. Very safe, the largest number of hotels in the world, fourth, fifth, tourism destination globally, the largest airport, airline which is connected to 200 destinations, beaches, Dubai ticks all the boxes for a vibrant, beautiful, safe tourist city around the world. Location superb and going to continue to grow. Extremely good leadership, visionary, action. They take decision quickly and they move fast. So it kicks all the boxes, and I don't see any other city can compete with Dubai for another 10 years. Okay, so from that point of view, it's a strength.
In terms of the buyers, though, it's not like a few years ago when you had so many international buyers of property here, is it? Today, it's a different person that's buying in Dubai.
I disagree. Still, we have people coming, more people coming from China, people coming from India, CIS, Africa, Europe, Middle East. The buying mix hasn't changed. Yes, more Chinese, maybe less Saudis, maybe less Iranians, more ex-country, but the mix remains, 100 different nationalities. You live in a world we're surrounded with a lot of political, economical problems, currency issues. So a lot of those countries' nationals want to take money and bring it to a safe place. And Dubai is very safe. Currency is pegged to the dollar. That's a major, major advantage, which a lot of countries don't have. Even a city like London, where people invested, they lost 20% just on the exchange rate of their pounds. So currency pegged to the dollar, zero capital gain taxes, safe city, growing city. So all the components are there for Dubai to be growing and attracting more and more foreign investors. We just need to manage the coming 2 years, the correction properly. If they manage it properly, we are okay, we are safe, and we're moving forward.
Many people would say, though, that even though the UAE has always been somewhat of an island of stability, given what we've seen over the last several weeks in particular with Saudi Arabia, a lot of pressure externally from the West about what's been happening there, obviously the UAE does feel the impact of economic change in Saudi Arabia, very much so, not just in the stock market, but also a bit more regionally. Does that worry you at all, that regional instability off the back of what we've seen in Saudi Arabia or what we could see with Iran could impact Dubai?
Dubai always benefited from the stability and instability. I remember 8 years of Iraqi-Iran war, and Dubai benefited from that. The trade with Iran increased. And then we saw the Iraqi invasion to Kuwait, and Dubai benefited from a lot of Kuwaitis came here and stayed here. Then Kuwait was freed from the Iraqi occupation, and Dubai was the biggest beneficiary. I remember when Bechtel had their flights on a daily basis, and we did the catering in Kuwait at the time for the firefighters and for the army and for the rebuilding of Kuwait. And then there was, I remember, a war in Somalia where Americans were involved, and Dubai benefited. So Dubai always benefits from good and bad news of the region because it's a hub. It's a free trade center. So I'm not worried. I'm not concerned about things. I wish the region can be better, and lower risk. But the region has been volatile for the last 50 years, since I've seen it.
Walk me through some of the projects outside of the UAE. You've obviously invested in Saudi Arabia. Oman is interesting to you. Where are some places where you might seek external partnerships?
We're looking very, very aggressively and very seriously to Europe. We like London. We did our first project. It's already on the 15th floor. We'll deliver it on time at the end of 2020. It's a beautiful 50-story tower. We learned a lot in the last 3 years by operating in London. Very different market, very sophisticated, highly competitive. And I think we've proven that if we can be successful in London, we can be successful in a lot of places around the world. So we're focusing more on Europe and London particularly, but we're looking at Eastern Europe, we're looking at Spain, and part of other Germany and other parts of Europe.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.